Hi, I'm Ryan, a member of the customer service team here at Ceilume, and today I will be showing you how to install lap joint ceiling and wall tiles. Lap joint tiles are mounted directly to a smooth, clean, and firm installation surface, like this wall, using adhesive. These tiles have overlapping edges which make them simple to align and install, and require no extra pieces or accessories to cover the seams between tiles. Before I begin, I'm going to take some time to clean my room and wipe down my installation surface. Vinyl ceiling tiles come out of the box with a bit of a static electricity charge, and cleaning up before installation prevents dust and debris from sticking to the tiles. Now that my room is clean, I'm going to begin my installation by snapping 2 perpendicular chalk lines at my starting location. After double checking that my lines are level and properly positioned, it's time to break out the adhesive. When applying adhesive, remember that more isn't necessarily better. It's about applying the right amount in the right places. To start, I apply a bead of adhesive along the perimeter of the tile and an X through the center. Then I add smaller X's in the center of each major design feature that will make contact with the wall. Next, I press the tile to the wall about 1/4 of an inch from my chalk lines. Then I slide it into place against the chalk lines like so. This spreads the adhesive a bit to form a firmer bond. Finally, I press and rub over the glued areas to smooth out any bumps and seat the tile into place. Things get a little more interesting when adhering this second tile to the wall. I tilt it into place, overlapping its edge pattern with that of the first, and as I press it to the wall, I wiggle it just a bit to spread the adhesive and encourage the tiles to nest together. I press and rub over the glued areas and then spend an extra 15 seconds or so holding down the corners where they overlap. I then repeat this process with the remaining tiles, proceeding from one tile to the next adjacent tile. As I move along, I use a soft, damp rag to wipe up any excessive adhesive while it's still fresh. Now it's time to tackle the section here at the corner of the room, where less than full-size tiles are required. For this area, I measure, cut tiles to size, and then install with the cut edges toward the wall. That's it! I'm finished! And now it's time to congratulate myself on my amazing interior design sensibilities. If you have any questions or would like to see free samples, please do not hesitate to give us a call. And remember, you belong under Ceilume.